Moves it ahead for Rao. Rao immediately attacked, but it'll come to Annis. Annis is able to walk in, shoots and scores. Sam Annis all alone in the face-offs. Now frees it up behind the net for LeBon. Out for Shaw. Shaw fires, scores! Logan Shaw in a sweet spot, and he puts it away, and we're tied at 1. Here's Kyle Bauman. Bauman gets into the zone, 2-on-1 developing. Here's a chance, and they score. Sam Annis, a beautiful shot to go bar down. And here comes Will Bitton, moves it off for Sam Annis. 2 goals on the night, leaves it for Rao. Rao goes to the front of the net, great save, Burden! Flashed out the pad and took away a glorious scoring opportunity from Will Bitton. Pass into the middle for Cease, doesn't get there, but it finds the stick of Jimmy Olney. Pass out in front for CJ Cease. He was battling for the puck, and back the other way come the Wild. Here's a shot, and they score. A bullet there from Nico Sturm. Here comes Spacek right back into the zone. 35 seconds left. Spacek goes cross ice for Schilling. He shoots, and he scores! Back into the zone. Good opening shift here from Manitoba. Griffith goes cross ice. He's got a man in the face-off circle, and a high shot from Skylar McKenzie. Just a minute and 20 seconds gone the frame. Right off the face-off. Here's a chance for McKenzie. He fires it to the front of the net. It goes right through the blue paint. For Rao to get onto the puck. Plays it for Annis. Annis walks into the shot. Save made by Burden. Rebound is there, and the Moose goaltender comes up with it. And now here's a chance right out in front as Green overskated the puck, but Burden comes up with a huge save. It's free for Brown. He takes a look towards the empty net, chips it off the wall. 5 seconds left, and that will do it as Kyle Rao puts the puck into the empty net with 3.6 left on the clock.